Ever get a random case of the hiccups and wonder, what even causes this? Eating too fast, drinking soda, or even getting excited can trigger them. It all starts with your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe. Sometimes it spasms, making your vocal cords snap shut. That's what creates the heek sound. Some scientists think hiccups are a leftover reflex from when our ancestors had gills. Weird, right? Most hiccups go away on their own, but if they last too long, maybe get that checked out. And now you know why we hiccup. Double asterisk.